This is as much as I felt like doing at 2:30 in the morning. All right, so we're at our cabin. Garter snake. Oh, he just bit me. All of this was mowed in the pictures of the hip campsite, but it is not mowed, and it was kind of annoying getting here last night and trying to like clear spots for our tents. Well, here we are. Everyone's packed up except for Joel.
Are you turning the heat on, the air back
and
on?
Joel
now?
is still
like
comfortably in his tent.
More positive feelings and want to come out of the tent.
With
True. Joel is the only one left that's packed up. Everybody has packed up except for I still did my tent.
Motivate me.
And
he's
then
got this battery
Joel has the full
pack.
thing, and see, I've incentivized him to stay in the tent because I have put the big fan and the power pack inside of his tent.
Did Andy pack up already?
Andy's done. I'm going back for my another rest. Another rest.
So see, this is his setup.
Another long
Well,
rest.
this is Sean's setup. We are in Connecticut right now. We'll be driving to Maine and staying in an off-the-grid cabin tonight. But while we were waiting for Joel, I decided to go take a walk and just see what was around the area. Whoa, look at that. That is a neat house. That is really cool. It's very boxy. I like the style. It's a modern looking flat roof. Huge long windows. We have started our journey. Day 2. It's now Saturday at 10, a little after 10 a.m. By the time we went to bed, it was probably like 3:30. Yeah, but we're gonna be going through Massachusetts today and then into Maine. We're gonna go through New Hampshire a little bit and then into Maine. This is gonna be a fun day because we can actually see the landscape now. It's pretty nice out here though. It feels kind of like Western Maryland in this part that we're in. So I'm not sure what town we're getting ready to go through, but there's a ton of old buildings here. It's really neat. I'm gonna look it up real quick. Great Barrington. It's a very neat old town slash city. I don't know. Seems like an old city. It's pretty big. Alright, so we're at our cabin. It's right here. Pretty cool looking little cabin. Let's take a little tour of it. Here we have our solar shower. Alright. Oh, it's got some like little shampoos and stuff in it. Not gonna use that. I brought my own. Bug candles. I'm gonna have to figure out. So I think you take your bag of water right here. I guess you bring it in and then you hang it up on this here. I've never used one of these. I guess you hang it up here and then you just shower with it. So there's a hook here too. Alright, that's kind of neat. It's got some wood. Got this little deck area, porch, screened-in porch. Oh, bird. Screened-in porch with some seating. As you walk in through the porch, you will see a gas stove, a sink, nice little counter, and it is complete with all your basic cooking needs, pots, pans, and utensils. And then to the side, you have a nice little couch here. And of course, it wouldn't be a cabin without a wood stove, which we have here. Alright, let's head up these stairs. It's so steep, it's almost like a ladder. I almost fell down them coming down. But it's very neat. So you got these storage compartments here. There's more next to the bed there. Then you have a queen bed, children's bed above it, and then underneath you have a twin that you can pull out and use if you have more people. So got the outhouse outside there, woodshed, well, fireplace over there. We'll check that out in a second. So there are solar panels on the roof that power the sink and the lights and the TV, and there's like a battery that hooks into, so that's really neat. Take a closer look at the outhouse here, because it's kind of semi off the grid. So got a composting outhouse, we got a little wash area, some hand soap, toilet paper. Yeah, he's feisty, and he musked all over me. He was right under this board here. I found my first garter snake. Oh, he just bit me. The first little garter snake. Oh, yeah. So really cool. First snake I've found in the wild. Fun fact, there are no venomous snakes in Maine. They used to have timber rattlesnakes, but it's thought to have been eliminated from the state. Alright, so let's release this guy back where we found him. So here we made steak shish kebabs with red peppers and onions. And I think there were some orange peppers in there too. It turned out really good. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe for the part 3 that'll be coming out soon.